Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So, first, let me ask you something straight from the heart. Have you ever watched endless coding tutorials on YouTube, but whenever you sit in front of an interview question, your mind goes blank? Have you ever thought, I know the basics, but will I ever be good enough to crack a placements or an internship in a good company? Or deep down, maybe you are worried that while others are moving ahead in the tech, you are stuck, scrolling reels or half learning, but not building a future. If you relate to this, then listen carefully and watch the video till the end, because today I'm going to share whatever I'm going to share with you. It's not just a like course announcement, it's a career announcement. See, when we started our first batch of DSA with Java, the response was overwhelming. The students who joined with zero coding knowledge, now today they are able to solve problems confidently, coding problems confidently. That's why after closing the enrollments for that batch, I got so many emails and comments also. When will you start the new batch, or please reopen the enrollments? We want to enroll. And today I am here with that answer. Yes, I'm going to start a brand new batch for this DSA with Java course from 28th of September. You will get every Friday, Saturday, Sunday recorded classes at 8 p.m. You can watch those classes anytime, morning, night, whenever you feel most productive, right? And if you stuck, it's not that I'll give you simply those classes, theory classes, and that's it. Yes, I'll conduct a live Q&A session every week. You can join that session and you can ask a doubt. It's not that any teaching assistant would be there to help you in that live session. No, I'll be there to help you in that live session. You can directly ask any doubt if you have in that course, and I'll be there to answer. Plus, that's not it. You will get access to a dedicated WhatsApp group also that personally I'll monitor. And there also you can ask your doubts. It will help you for your like interacting with other students, group discussions, and many other things, mentorship. There you will get many more on that WhatsApp group as well, right? This course is not just learn and forget. It is designed for career transformation. You will get my handwritten notes, quizzes, assignments, CPPTs with every class. Complete Java will cover. If you don't know anything, if you are just a fresher, you don't know anything about coding, you can still join that. We'll cover Java, we'll cover then DSA, basic to advanced, plus projects to showcase in your resume as well. Plus lead code questions, placement questions asked in top tech companies. After every topic, we will cover some lead code question regarding to that, so that you have the idea. Okay, that's how we try to approach the problem. That's how we solve this. Okay, so I'll tell you everything. It's not just a theory classes that you will get. Plus resume building support, interview preparation tips, resume preparation tips. This is extra thing you will get for placement preparation. So whether you are in 12th, first year, final year, or from a non CS background, if you want to build your career in coding, this course is designed for you. You will get Java complete, right? What extra thing in this batch we have is few extra topics in Java you will get here, like Java generics, JVM architecture, JDBC connectivity, okay, with database, how to connect your Java applications and all, and abstract window toolkit. Plus in data structure, basic data structures, advanced data structures, everything in detail I'll teach you here, right? Plus projects that will strengthen your resume definitely. Now just imagine, just after 1 year in September, you feel confident. That's it's I'm not saying that because I designed this course, just to keep in mind that you are a complete beginner, you don't know anything. So I'll not say that within 5 months, within 4 months, within 6 months you will be like really good. Just be practical. You need time to be good in a language like Java plus DSA. You When you want to be good in DSA, you need time. So I would assume that at least you should have 1 year to be really good in these Java as well as DSA. At the last of that 1 year, like in maybe in September 2026, just imagine, just after 1 year from today, you sit in front of your laptop, you open a coding problem. Instead of fear, you feel excitement. You updated your resume. Instead of doubt, you feel pride. You attend interviews. Instead of anxiety, you feel prepared. Why? Because you took the right decision today to invest in yourself. Okay, now let's talk about investment. This complete package, complete Java, complete DSA, basically two courses you get Java plus DSA, projects to strengthen your resume, live doubt resolution support, dedicated WhatsApp group, one to one resume building support, also you will get, plus mentorship and that thing. Everything you will get The complete package original price is 17,999. But now, after getting so many emails from students that ma'am, please revise it. So I revised it again, and now everything you will get the final price for you is 7,999. But this price is only for first 500 students, right? After uh, the seats are filled, first 500 students we get, then the price would be again revised. Okay. On this price, 9,999, you apply the coupon code best 500 and you will get extra 20% discount. And after getting that discount, the final price of this course will be 7,999. So already many students have enrolled in this course. So seats are filling fast. Hurry up. So here is my last question to you. Do you want to keep doubting yourself, or do you want to take charge of your career today? Or do you want to be in a cycle of confusion? Or do you want to be industry ready with skills, projects, and confidence? The choice is yours. The enrollment link is in the description box of this video. Apply the coupon code BEST500, you will get extra 20% discount. But remember, it's just for first 500 students. If you have any more doubt, you can just ask me in comment section. Now I'll see you in the course. Till then, bye bye. Take care.